On today's episode, we're making this delicious and nutritious lentil soup. To make our lentil soup, we're going to start off with a large pot and we're going to pour in about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. And then we're going to add our vegetables. So we've got carrot, celery, onion, and garlic. We're going to go ahead and add those into our pot, and then to follow that, we're going to add some seasoning. So we've got some oregano, salt, and pepper. And then we're going to allow them to saute over a medium-low heat until all of the vegetables are nice and tender. I'm actually going to cover this and allow them to sweat for at least about 5 to 10 minutes. That's how long it usually takes. You don't necessarily want the vegetables to get any color. Like you can see here, you just want to sweat them off and make them nice and tender. Then we're going to go ahead and add our lentils. So just French lentils is what I'm using, and we're going to just coat them with a little bit of that oil and incorporate them in with our vegetables. And then we're going to add our chicken stock or vegetable stock, or you can even use water. I'm actually using homemade chicken stock. You can use stock cubes that you've dissolved in 8 cups of water. You can use your own homemade chicken broth. You can use liquid chicken broth if you like. Go ahead and use whatever you had. I just had some in my freezer because I tend to make up chicken stock and then freeze it. And once, in my case, all of that is melted and everything's incorporated, I'm just going to allow this to simmer on the stove. Usually takes about an hour. We want the lentils to be very, very soft and mushy. You can basically press them with a spoon against the side of the pot and they'll just mush up. And the sauce is thickened. So that's really all you have to do. I love this recipe. I actually make it for myself, especially during the winter, and portion it off so that I can have it for lunches during the week. It's really delicious. It's really cheap to make, which is great. So if you're looking for a very, very cheap weeknight meal or lunch, this is a great one. Then once you've got that all nice and ready to serve, so all the vegetables, all the lentils are nice and cooked through and the soup is nice and thickened, you can go and serve it up. So it's as simple as that. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you make it, and I will see you next time. Bye.